Is this on? Is this on? Okay. Where do I start? Where do I even begin? It was supposed to just be a normal dinner at my own home. They thought I wouldn't notice, but my spoon hit something very unusual, something that I would never have expected it to be. At first I thought it was just another piece of chicken, but it wasn't. I found I don't know how to say this. I found a chicken foot in my soup. Five tiny toes looking straight at me. I was petrified how someone can do that until I found who he was.